وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد في الأولين وفي الآخرين وفي الملأ الأعلى إلى يوم الدين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. عربي ولا إنجليزي هنا؟ Both. My name is Karim AbuZaid. I'm visiting from Fajr. Jazakumullah khairan for the opportunity to speak to you for a couple of minutes, inshallah. Of course, the time now is getting ready for the month of Ramadan. We're only maybe 9-8 days away from the blessed month. And just a quick reminder of maybe three things bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam advised us regarding the salah. He said, اذكر الموت في صلاتك. When you want to pray, remember death. Remember that you will die. And في لفظ صلي صلاة مودع. Pray as if this is your last salah. The issue that we have with Ramadan, ya ikhwa, is turning it into a routine. Oh, it's another Ramadan, it's another fasting, another month. I think the first thing that we should all look at and consider, and that can be a reality, and it's not something that is far away from any of us. What if this is the last Ramadan for you? It could happen, right? It is possible, right, that this is my last Ramadan. No more Ramadans. We were told in multiple occasions that the people who died, they actually wish to come back to this world, not to watch a movie but actually to pray 2 rakats, just to observe 2 rakats. So they want to come back from, their life there and come back. Even the righteous people, even, by the way, the people who are in Jannah, مثل الشهيد مثلا, like the martyr, we would come back to repeat. Like you and me, alhamdulillah, the first thing, in order not to treat this Ramadan like the previous Ramadan, is you have to look at it this way, and it is possible. الناس يموتون. There is no standard for death. Like we have infants die, children die, youth die, the most strong stage in the life, they die, and old people die. So death is not exclusive to one age group. Death is something that could happen to any of us. So the first thing that we need to remember in order to prepare for the month is simply to remember that you will also die, and that could be your last Ramadan. But the second thing is, remember the reward of this month. Imagine the amount of rewards in this particular month out of the year. Look at this. من صام رمضان إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه. من قام رمضان إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه. من قام ليلة القدر إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه. Whoever observes just the pillar of Islam, which is a siyam, the fourth pillar, just fasting, but with two restrictions here. Imana. What does it mean, Imana? The most profound meaning of al-Iman here, that you believe that this is something which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala legislated upon you, mandated upon you. وذلك يا إخوة, sometimes we are asked by non-Muslims, especially living here in the West, what is fasting? And why do you do it? You find some Muslims saying, well, I do it because I like to experience that hunger, so that I feel the people who are starving. And some other people, they actually come up with the idea because it's healthy. ولذلك, look how the